For this video, we're going to take this simple Hello World application and turn it into an ASP Core 3 application, which is actually pretty simple to do. All we have to do is go into the project file here and add the right framework. Right now you can see we just have the runtime. Over here we just have the runtime. But if we add an item group, and within that we say a framework reference to include the Microsoft ASP.NET Core App framework, and we save that, we can see that that gets added to our project. And now we're able to include the host. And we want to include the host because the host is going to be in every one of your core projects. It manages all the resources for your projects. Everything: logging, dependency injection, configuration, starting and stopping the application. Everything goes to the host. So how do we do that? Well, let's get rid of this guy for starters. We do it with the host builder. And let's include this namespace, hosting. And since we have the core framework, we can say host dot create default builder. Easy peasy. Now that we have that, we can say host builder dot console. Let's see, how do we execute the console? Run console async. That's how we do it. And that's going to fire up the console. And what you're going to see is a few interesting things that the even though we're not really doing anything, the host builder is still going to provide us with some info. Let's start it up and see. Here, the host, if we see it, so we see that it manages starting it. It knows our environment. It knows the root path. And then it manages shutting it down. Like I said, every core application you write is going to have this host. So it's important to get used to it. Next video, we'll do something interesting with it. I promise.